Okay, my friends, welcome back. Tonight we're gonna make ERC20 tokens live on the new Pulsechain Mainnet that just launched. You could do this for fractions of a penny in your house. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now with my trusty sidekick, Taco. Okay, Taco, you ready to go? Good dog. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, so the good news is Pulsechain has already launched. It launched tonight. So you want to add Pulsechain to metamask. I already did this. So go to pulsechain.com, add PulseX to metamask, whatever. It should give you a thing up here to do. Add token. What do you know? Hopefully you're in there. Hopefully you got a little bit of pulse. I got a whopping 92 pulse here, ready to go. I'm going to show you guys how to make some ERC tokens. Okay. Pulsechain, you can take a look at the tokens that you created on the Block Explorer. I'll show you how to do that. You can trade tokens on PulseX. Let's see here. You can check out what's going on Twitter. But more importantly, right now we're going to make our own ERC20 tokens. So all you do is you go to remix.ethereum.org. Boom, you're there. Okay, you're going to click on contracts. You're going to right click. You're going to say new file. What are we going to call this? We're going to launch Orcish Dime tonight, my friends. Orcish Dime. .sol. Okay. Here we go. Now, you can hand code some crazy whopping maniacal things, but guess what I'm going to do here tonight? I'm going to give you the code on how you can do this yourself, okay? We're just going to cut and paste this over here. Boom! There it is. Okay? Simple ERC20 token. Now, we don't want to call it my token. This is Orcish Dime. Okay? And we're going to call this OrcD. OrcD. Now, we don't want 50,000. Let's make, I don't know, how about 2 billion? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got 2 billion Orcish Dime here. All right, now, you're watching me, Taco? Over here on the left, can you see my mouse? We're going to click on this doohickey here. It's the Solidity compiler. Okay? We're going to compile Orcish Dime. But before you do, notice that we're using Solidity version 0.82. 0.818 should work fine. We got to be on Pulsechain testnet. So what you're going to do is, let's see here. Okay, you're going to click on this little token here. You don't want to be on Remix Shanghai. You want to be on Injected Provider via MetaMask. So right down here, it should pop up your thing. And if you're connected to Pulsechain, then you should be connected over here. So we can, yeah, it's going to connect right through your MetaMask. Okay? Gas limit value, my token. We're going to deploy it now. You guys ready? Deploy. Okay, now it's going to cost some pulse here. Taco, get out of the way. Hang on, guys. Let me move Taco for you. Okay. So, you got to... It's going to cost you... It's kind of bouncing around. It's costing anywhere from 1 to 5 pulse tonight, but... Let's hit confirm. Real quick, we're making 2 billion Orcish Dime. Boom. Okay. Went through. Transactions recorded. We want to tell it to run. Nope, there it goes. So the Orcish Dime went. Now let's take a look. We've published it here. Okay, so now we need to mint it. So we're gonna mint it and we're gonna copy it to myself. So let's go get our address. Come on, MetaMask. All right, we got our address. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Let me move my head out of the way. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm going over here. When we get to mint, I'm just pasting my token here and then how many. So I'm gonna go ahead and mint all 2 billion. Let's go ahead and mint the mint button. It's minting. It's gonna cost a little bit to mint, not very much. Fractions of a pulse to mint 2 billion Orcish Dime. Boom. Okay, so now it's went to the mint and it's pending. Okay, and I just got a confirmation. Now, you got to add it here. So what you got to do is you got to go find your contract address. There it is. It's right here. So we're going to hit copy right here. If you see this, copied. Now go to MetaMask. Hopefully we did this right. And let's see here. When you go click on assets, you want to click on import tokens. Import your token address. And there you go. You got Orcish Dime. Just like that. Let's add the Orcish Dime into MetaMask. Import it. There we go. 2 billion Orcish Dime, my friends. Just like that. Nope, I almost forgot. I want to show you guys how to find your contract. Okay, so you copy where your contract address is deployed. You go over to scan.pulsechain.com and then paste it up here, okay? Boom, fetching tokens, Orcish Dime. We got 0 pulse, 0 transactions, 0 transfers, because I didn't do anything with it yet. All I did was I minted 2 billion tokens. But now I can send this around to everybody. So now we got all these billions of dollars of tokens. Tell you what, Taco, get out of the way again. Okay, so you can see we got 91 pulse, 2 billion Orcish Dime, 0 PulseX. Tell you what, guys, I need to give some of this Orcish Dime away tonight because I got too much. 2 billion is too much for any one man. So I tell you what, tonight only, send me a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of a pulse. And just, you know, send me like 0.01 pulse or 1 pulse or whatever. I'll send you 10,000 Orcish Dime back just tonight, just because I'm feeling generous, guys. So I'm going to post my address somewhere where you guys can see it. Don't you think you can see it here, but there it is. If you can read that, great. If not, no big deal. I'll post it in the comments below for YouTube, and I'll post the code down there as well. Thank you, guys. You guys have an awesome night. I'm going to catch you guys on the flippity flip. Ciao. Okay, guys, it's getting really late, but I want to show you one last thing. So if you're over here at Remix, go ahead and open a new window and go to pulsex.com. Pulsex.com is where you can buy and sell and swap tokens and all kinds of stuff. Alright, so if you want to sell your Orcish Dime that I'm giving you or buy it or do whatever, you can do that right here. So you would say, okay, I want to swap 1 pulse for 1 PulseX, or, you know, I really want some Orcish Dime. So what you can do is you can cut and paste the Orcish Dime or whatever your token is. You can cut and paste it right there. It'll give you a warning saying anyone can create this stuff. You understand that. Okay, now you can swap Orcish Dime right there live on PulseX. Or guys, make your own tokens. Add them in here as well. Thank you guys. Have a great night. Catch you on the flippity flip.